Hey everybody, it's your boy Marco again here with Sneaker Gear. Today with another unboxing video, this time from eBay. Yes, the Bay of E. So I bought a pair of shoes, Air Jordan Low Lucky Greens from eBay. I was a little skeptical. I mean, the seller had like 2 feedback. They were 100%, but still only 2, so I was a little skeptical. But hey, eBay says they will authenticate them. And of course, we all trust eBay, right? So I bought this at the first of the month, paid for it, and then I get the notification started coming. So at the second of the month, the next day, I get a notification that it's shipped for authentication. And then on the 8th of the month, the order was authenticated. eBay said, hey, great. You know what? We authenticate it. Looks like it's 100% authentic. And who am I to argue with eBay? So they sent it. And then on the 12th, it finally arrived. So this was supposed to be new in the box. And eBay said they authenticated it. So let's take a look and see and figure out what this is all about here. Let's take a look at the unboxing. Hey everybody, all right, so here we are, the unboxing of the Lucky Green Air Jordan 1 Low Retro from eBay. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Of course, this is authenticated by the Master Authentication from eBay. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what we got. All right, eBay Authenticity Guarantee. Meet your soulmates. All right, here we go. So again, new in box. Let's see, we got some good padding around here, and we got a little card here that says "Authenticate without a doubt." Okay, let's see. So far, so good. All right. Let's see. We got the little authentication tag from eBay. Wow, look at that. And a barcode that says void if this tag is removed. All right, let's take a look here. I don't know, man. Sounds like a coconut. You know that guy. Oh no, dude, it's got to sound like a watermelon. I got a thing. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, sounds like a shoe. All right, here we go. And here's the other one. So only the left shoe has the authentication, so perhaps the right shoe is not authenticated. I don't know. I would imagine that they did both shoes. So there you have it. The authentication from eBay. So far, seems legit. Yeah, I'm hung up about this watermelon thing. All right, I don't know. Anyway, it looks good to me. So what's also interesting is that the card says to scan the barcode that we have here. And the barcode actually takes you to an eBay website that actually describes your actual shoe that they authenticated. And the description in there is really good. So originally I scanned it with the QR app on my phone and it went nowhere. Couldn't find it. So I just used the regular camera app and it found it just fine and it went there. However, you know, I'm not related to Stadium Goods QR code, which actually went nowhere. Tried both the camera app and the QR app on my phone. They went nowhere. So it's like Stadium Goods just gives you this tag. I'm not sure what this barcode or what this QR code is supposed to give you or where it's supposed to take you, but for me, it went nowhere. But the actual scanning the actual eBay one actually gives you great information. So I'm really impressed about the whole eBay authentication. Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.